Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to extract zip files on mobile phone. So what you're gonna have to do first of all is to download this app, which is Files by Google. So you can find this app on App Store and Google Play Store for free. So after you download this app, what you're gonna have to do is simply open it and then simply look for your zip file and then simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, you're gonna have here the option to see how many files there are. You can see here the files that are in this zip file, the name and everything. So what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on the extract button, and basically that's all you have to do in order to extract zip files on mobile phone. So don't forget to install this app first, which is completely free, and then you can simply unzip and extract your files. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.